Regular. O, next, si Kiel.
Okay.
O, next, Ase, it's your turn.
Which one are you getting?
What do you want?
Do you want half?
O, sige, go. Ayaw mo ng with fries? Ano, with fries or no? Okay, sige, kung ano gusto mo. O, alin dyan? Pindutin mo rin so kung di niya abot. What number? Which one? Ayun pala. Iced tea, apple juice, or apple juice? What do you want? Go, what gusto mo?
Yeah. Yay! This is look at that! Look at that! Wow! Advertisement! I love it.
Hindi, ito lang hot fudge. Yan. Oh, okay na. Proceed to check out.